Hello everyone, and welcome to our detailed review of the 3D Print Filament Connector FC01, a breakthrough accessory designed to revolutionize your 3D printing experience. This product's main purpose is to seamlessly fuse 1.75mm filament materials like PLA, ABS, and PETG with precision and safety, ensuring both the strength and aesthetics of your printed models. Right from the start, the FC01 impresses with its quick and accurate heating capabilities. It can reach up to 185 degrees Celsius in just about 3 minutes, making setup and operations much faster, particularly useful when your project deadlines demand efficiency. The temperature accuracy within -3 degrees Celsius provides confidence that each fusion process is reliable and repeatable. This level of precision distinguishes it from many other filament connectors available on the market. The wide material compatibility is another highlight. With the capability to support temperatures up to 240 degrees Celsius, you can work with not just PLA and ABS, but also materials such as PETG, and even high-performance filaments such as PCL, PA, and PC. This versatility means that whether you're printing intricate models or large-scale components, the FC01 can handle them with professionalism, ensuring smooth, well-fused joints every time. One of the standout features is the product's safe design. Its advanced temperature control, in combination with high-quality insulation materials, keeps external temperatures maintained between 50 to 100 degrees Celsius during operation. This not only minimizes the risk of burns, but also adds a layer of safety during long print cycles. Additionally, the built-in window and display screen allow you to have real-time visual operations. Monitoring the temperature during the welding process gives real-time insights, which is particularly helpful for avoiding any discrepancies or potential mishaps during print jobs. In real-life scenarios, users have found that the FC01 delivers efficient welding with excellent results. The fusing process ensures strong bonds that produce models with smooth, seamless surfaces while maintaining high detail. However, one possible drawback might be the learning curve associated with mastering the control settings if you are new to this kind of technology. Yet, compared to other similar products on the market, its performance and ease of use stand out as clear advantages. To get the most out of the FC01, make sure you carefully follow the user manual, especially when adjusting the temperature settings for different materials. Regular maintenance and proper handling will further enhance its longevity and performance. In summary, the Filament Connector FC01 is a top-notch tool ideal for both hobbyist and professional 3D printers alike, due to its robust performance and thoughtful design. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope you found this review informative. Have a great day and happy printing.